Hey!
Hey! Moyen, wie geht it? How's it going?
Hey!
Alles gut?
Mega! How are you?
Good, good. I see you, your color matches.
And you have blue shoes.
There you go.
And yeah, I thought you knew the city better than I do.
I'll show you some nice places. Yeah.
I will show you some too.
Right on. Shall we go?
Yep.
And they're off. I want to ask you if you know something up here. Do you know what this is?
No.
So that is an air vent to the tunnels that are down below here.
Okay.
So we were down there, I was doing a video for Deelzehuelen, as a matter of fact, and we started way over there, that's where we entered and kind of came under here.
Oh, wow.
And then looked up and you could see this air vent.
So this way?
This way? Oh yeah, that's right, I'm leading, this way.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this is one of the great views of the city of Luxembourg,
Look at that.
isn't it?
Voila! All of Luxembourg laid at your feet.
And a plane. Do you remember the Dreieschelen?
Oh, of course.
You were a guide there once for the Nuit des Musées.
Yes, that's right, yes.
In the middle of the night.
At 11:30 at
And
night.
who was your biggest fan who came?
You came to that, that was so cool.
Yeah, with the whole family.
Yeah, that was unbelievable. It was the big map.
Yeah, actually,
Sculpture of
3D map. Oh, it was a great night. Yeah.
Was it? Yeah, that was such an odd thing, but it was so much fun. But it was so Luxembourg. You know, you want to come to a museum at 11:30 at night and do a little speech or whatever and tell a memory or a place that you like. And you think, yeah, but who's going to come to that? And there was tons of people there.
Actually, when I was very young, I told you
We're all very young, aren't we? We're all still very young, aren't we?
Yeah, we are
Very
still
young.
very young, but my very first internship at RTL, I made it at the Villa Louvigny. Shall we go there and
go
talk
there.
a little bit about Villa Louvigny, because it's really nice there in the
Yeah.
park.
Put on that sharp helmet. Man, that is cool.
Blue,
Blue.
yeah.
Right here. It's the Niagara Falls of Luxembourg. A lot of people, you know, they get married and then just come here and just to look at the falls.
You know, I marry people at the commune. I love to do that. I see the whole world. I'm marrying the whole world. People from the whole world coming to marry in love.
You ever see a couple and you're like, I don't know about that guy, and you take her side?
No.
No? That hasn't happened yet, huh? You want a lift? Come on, I'll give you a lift.
So here's the Villa Louvigny. And here actually was RTL, radio and TV.
Great.
How you like Google it was called. And that's where I made my first internship actually in 1991. But there was now a very nice exhibition about the history of RTL here at Villa Louvigny. And there actually we had one guy, Pierre Kramer.
Kramer.
Yeah, Pierre Kramer.
Pierre
He was
Kramer.
this nicest guy in the world. And he had this R, he said rrr, and not rrr, like we do, you know, the Pierre Kramer. And then he came, when I made the news, he came in to record his show and he said, "Bonjour, Madame Cahen. Ich komme heute abholen." Yeah, and he was really great. And actually here I got my chance from Jean Octave. He was the editor-in-chief, and he built all this Luxembourgish TV actually,
Wow.
Jean Octave. Let's go to the Palais, that you know very good because you were one of the actors of the Troonviers.
So, let's go. Pierre Kramer. Look at her go. There she's like Pogachar. She's just like, takes off.
So, the Palais, Mike.
Ah, yes.
So what was your best experience of the Troonwiersel?
Oh, gosh, there was so much, but I guess the thing that sticks with me was when we were on the stage at Glacis, and the Grand Duke is up there, and he's making this great speech, and there's all these people around, and just to hear him say things about like how Luxembourg is just welcoming the creativity, and for everyone who calls Luxembourg home, we welcome you. And I swear, when he said that, I just like kind of choked up. Just we needed that so much, you know, we still need that.
People come from all over the world with different traditions, different knowledge, but we grow together, and with all this knowledge we can build the greatest country of the world, actually, and we already are close to the greatest country of the world. Yeah, shall we go for a drink?
Yes, I am getting a little bit thirsty.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you for showing me all the cool places.
Yeah, thank you for showing me the cool places. And
All right.
Yeah, thank you.
Let's get something to drink.
Yes, let's go. Bye! I needed to put my helmet on.